Sorry, guys. Still recording from my phone. So, what's up, YouTubers? It's me, Eric, or Gibby, whatever you'd like to call me. Because I answer pretty much anything. Just don't. I don't want to answer late for dinner. Because I'm always there. Anyways, we got a new vacuum cleaner. It is pretty sweet. Let me look at it here. Not too familiar with it since I'm finally home and not at work. It is a Shark Navigator. Yeah, pretty nifty. Let's see here. Shark Navigator. Nice big old box there. I don't know how to do anything with this. It's got suction control. Right, that's at the max, and that's at the minimum. But this, let's see here. Press. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that. That comes right off for like small areas, like if you're gonna do the couch. But I don't like that because yeah, that's me. I'm gonna mount my phone up here. How about? Sorry, everybody. I'm trying to figure out how I could do this with no hands, since I got nobody to help me here. Kids are all screwing around. Okay. Then we have this whole thing comes out. There we go. Yeah, look at that. You can't see it. The whole handle with the suction comes out. So you can have a long reach. Suck all that stuff, all the dust and cobwebs down from the ceiling and whatnot.
Dad, I'm going to also show you what's going to do.
Okay, we gotta put this back in, buddy. Yeah, I know, that's called suction control. I already showed that. Daddy's doing this for his YouTube video. You have a YouTube video?
Yeah. Here, watch this. See? This could come off.
And you dump all the stuff that goes in there?
Yep.
Nope, I think it's this one right here.
Oh.
Nope, push it. Look at that. And all that stuff will come out.
Yep. And then open this, and then all this stuff will come out.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Good job.
Show you how to put it back on.
Hold on, you probably want to put the bottom on first. Nope, nope, nope. The bottom, like this. It probably goes like this, and then boop, snaps right into place. Good job.
Also, if you get also
Yep, that's a suction control. Remember?
Oh my movie's on.
Yeah. Emmett's movie's going right now. He just remembered that. So we're gonna give this sucker a try. We are going plug this bad boy in. Alright, as you can see, this carpet is absolutely nasty. Don't mind the clothes, the drinks, the socks, the toys all over the place.
Well, are you going to vacuum them?
What?
You're going to vacuum them?
No, I'm not going to vacuum your toys. I'm going to vacuum right here. I showed you. So we're going to vacuum this little section right around here and see how this thing does. And it also has a selection for off, hard floor, and carpet. Pretty nifty. Now I got to figure out how this thing goes down. How does this go down, Emmett? You know how?
Here. I'm going to show you.
No, that don't work. Okay, show me.
Okay. So you have to put this right here. And maybe it could go down.
Oh, well, look at that. So easy a 6-year-old can do it. Right, Emmett?
Yep.
All right.
And then it can turn. Watch.
Oh, wow. It even swivels. Look at this. The bottom stays, and this swivels. That's pretty nifty. All right, first we're going to do carpet. Whoa! Holy cow, that thing took off on me. Holy shit, the suction is insane.
Now I'm making the carpet like black.
Wow.
It's like so quiet.
And it is pretty quiet, as you can tell.
Yeah, that's a little quiet.
Look at all that crap it sucked up already.
Wait, let me see.
Hold on, dude. It's still vacuuming. And there goes the cat. Holy smokes. Now we got a lot of stains on our carpet. So the stains will end up staying. But it definitely worked. This is what we're going to do. We're going to put it on hard floor. And now we are vacuuming the hard floor.
Wait, I'm looking at
Well, it's okay, bud. We're alright. I'm not going all the way over there. Ah! I want our shirt. Ah! A toy! I don't know what the hell that thing is. Holy cow, it's got like 50 feet of cord. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. I'm gonna turn this way. Alright. Look at all that crap right there. Let's see if it sucks it all up. What? Holy cow.
So cool.
Emmett, move that card out of the way. Oh, it says happy birthday to Emmett? That happened a long time ago, dude. Wow. That is awesome. Now let's look at all the garbage that it picked up. Holy cow. That's a lot of stuff. Does this thing come up too? Or? No?
No. I think you have to do it on the bottom.
Ugh, okay, here. Let's do this. Ugh. Holy shit. That's what happens when you have a Australian Shepherd.
I want to help you.
Holy cow. Well, how do you go watch TV?
Oh. Actually, no.
Are you going to pause it? See, that's what I don't like the brushes. I wish my wife would have gone with the one that has the tangle free with no brushes on it. Because the brushes always gets crap caught in it. So with an Aussie or Australian Shepherd, extremely long fur, she sheds 12 months out of a year, is crazy. Look at that, it just keeps coming. Holy snapperoonies. I think we are good. Ugh, get my big butt up. Alright, I'll do that. And then we are going to detach this part. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Wow. How does it do on your 12 or your 6-year-old's head? Ah! And we'll turn it off. We're going to go look at some attachments that it came with. Don't mind the mess in the kitchen because, yeah, a life of a football player and then a band member and a little girl that does other stuff, that does dance and cheer. We're never home. So it came with brush. It came with... Can you get that one out for me, bud?
Yeah.
Thanks. Here, take the plastic off this. Uh-oh. I'm assuming this is probably for a couch, maybe?
Oh.
Nope. This is just like a regular, it goes at the end of the hose. No, that doesn't go on the wall, you goober. Here, give it to me. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and try out some of these attachments and see how it works.
No, they can't attach.
Yeah, they attach right here.
Oh.
Alright. We're going to we attach this one to it. Ugh. Emmett, pull on that hose. Take that hose out. Right there. There you go. Thank you. Alright. Bring the vacuum close. Oh, never mind. It's coming closer. Alright. Let's vacuum the couch. Turn it on. Turn this on. Emmett, what are you doing? Oh, yes, Maria. And now he wants to clean this crap up. Really?
Okay.
Alright, Emmett, go turn on the vacuum. Bring it a little bit closer to me and turn it on. There you go.
Also, it's easy to...
Hey, is your pull-up dry or wet?
See?
Hey, okay, yeah, it's light. Is that dry or wet?
Dry.
Okay, put it on that little table, and you can use it later for tonight, okay?
This one?
Yep.
Oh, there's a t-shirt.
Holy cow. This has got some major suction.
We also put it in here. Also put it in there.
Yeah, it's going in there.
Yeah.
Ugh. Hey, pretty cool. See if it works on your head. Come on, we're going to try to do your mohawk. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. And it does his mohawk. All right, turn it off. Pull that part off. No, pull it. Turn it off. Pull that off. Ugh, pull! All right, go. Now give me the other attachment. The one that's right over here. No, that one, yeah.
Yeah, I want to catch it on.
Push real hard. Here, hold this. I'll make sure you pay attention to me, not the TV. Alright. Let's vacuum some cobwebs.
Yeah, come on. YouTube videos.
Right up here, right by the pictures. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, watch the screen.
Oh, also, Daddy, also there's some like right there.
Where? Up here?
Yeah. No, go back to left.
Whoa!
Go to left.
The left? Right up here?
Yeah. And I saw some cobwebs. Oh, YouTube videos?
Hey, make sure you're videoing me and not talk. Ah!
Is he Tucker? He's right there. Oh, now he's running away.
Hey, it's supposed to be videotaping me. I'm trying to do a YouTube video with a 6-year-old. One through the phone. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check out the stairs. The stairs are always nasty, right?
Up here, I want to get a good look up here.
Here? No, we can do the floor up here.
Oh. But
Emmett, make sure you're pointing the video towards me, bud. Nobody wants to see. They want to see what's going on with this.
I
Eleanor, don't. Yeah, there's places for attachments on here. Okay. We are going to do...
Oh, you forgot to put this in.
Okay, give it to me, because you're a lot worse than I am.
But now I'm going to face it at you.
Okay, anyways, I'll do it, Evan. It's okay.
I want to say hi to them. Hi, YouTube.
Or you like watching YouTube?
Yep.
You're going to have your own toy channel?
Yep. Also, I'm alright watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Video down
Okay,
there.
come here, dude. I need you to start it.
Oh.
All the way down. On carpet. All right. Here we go. Uh-oh. See if I got any slack down there. He ain't doing nothing. He's too busy watching TV. Okay. We'll take this. I'll put it up here. And then we'll try it up here. Carpet all the way down. Push down. Then it starts up. Hold on, dude. I have never used this vacuum. I didn't even get a chance to look at it because I've been at work for the past God knows how many days. Emmett, that doesn't go on the wall. Move. Yeah, we'll do this side.
Watch, Daddy.
Emmett, you gotta watch out, dude. Yeah.
Watch this, Daddy.
Wow. So, you could say it did pretty good. Don't mind that stain. We have a lab that, when she was a puppy, she liked to pee there. So, trying to clean stuff up like that was very hard. But anyways, tell me what you think about the video. I know it's kind of hard to do with a phone and a 6-year-old video in it for you.
Yep. Also, this could actually do this.
Oh, it turns too? Cool.
Oh, right. We also forgot to make a YouTube video of this.
What are you making a YouTube video of now?
I want to take this out.
No, I already took that out. Remember? I did the wall?
No.
Emmett, stop. I don't want you to break it.
Wait.
Okay, just leave it alone, okay? Ugh. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Considering we had a really crappy vacuum cleaner.
Wait.
Emmett, I'm almost done, so go away. Go watch YouTube.
We're going to say smash the like button. Okay, YouTubers, remember to smash the like button and remember
To share it.
To
Share the video.
Yep, and also watch me.
He turned into a transformer.
Was that pretty awesome?
Is that all you're telling everybody? To hit that like button, right? The like button. And to share the video for this review of the Shark vacuum cleaner that we just got.
Yep. Also, if you see this, press on that one and that.
There is no sign for that. But who's that off of? Share the love?
Yep.
All right. Share the love, right?
Yep.
Share
Also,
the
I
love.
want to show you this
Okay.
right here.
He's not showing you anymore, but anyways, hit that like button, share for this awesome Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner. I like it. So far, good job, Shark. We'll tell you in a couple months how it works out.